My little learners, welcome to our channel. This is Komal Sharma. Today again I am here to teach you science. But before we will start our class, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe it, like and share the videos among your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for our latest notification. Children, today I will proceed the rest part of the topic reproduction in animals. Today we will learn about other terrestrial oviparous animals, aquatic oviparous animals, and parental care in animals. In our previous class, we studied about the insects which have 7 stages in their life cycle. Today we will know about the insects which have 4 stages in their life cycle. Butterflies and houseflies pass through 4 stages in their life cycles. Let us know about the life cycle of butterfly. As I already told you, a butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. First is eggs, then larva, then pupa, and the last one is butterfly. So first of all, the female butterfly lay eggs on the underside of the leaves. After that, the egg hatches and larva comes out, and it is also called a caterpillar. It eats leaves and grows quickly. The caterpillar spins a covering called pupa. Look at in this picture. The caterpillar spins a covering called pupa around itself. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar slowly turns into a fully grown butterfly. And pupa is also called as chrysalis. Okay? Pupa is also called as chrysalis. After that, when the pupa splits open, the beautiful butterfly takes flight. So a butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. And when it starts flying, looks for food and then lay eggs. And the life cycle starts all over again. Now let us know about other egg laying terrestrial animals. Crocodiles, turtles, lizards, and snakes also reproduce by laying eggs. Their eggs have hard shells like that of birds. Birds also have hard shells, we already learned. Same way, crocodiles also have hard shells. Means their egg shells are hard. Crocodile and alligators make nest for their eggs on the ground near the river banks. After laying the eggs, the mothers cover the eggs with sand. After laying the egg, the mother covers the egg with sand. Only a few of them hatch, as some do not get sufficient heat and some are eaten by other animals. So when the eggs hatch, if you will see in this picture, when the eggs hatch, the mother picks the babies in her mouth and carries them into the water. She guards them for several months. Now, let's know about aquatic oviparous animals. Aquatic animals means the animals who live in water. Animals like fish and frog lay eggs in water. Fish lay thousands of eggs at one time. Many fish lay eggs on the bottom of the water bodies or some among water plants. Some fish have sticky eggs, and these eggs stick together in bunches. The young ones in the eggs grow and hatch into very small baby fish called fries. Baby fish are called fries. Yeah. Not all fries grow into adult fish, as most of them are eaten by other big fishes and aquatic animals. Frog. Frogs lay their eggs in water. A floating clump of eggs is called frog spawn. Now let us know about life cycle of frog. A jelly-like covering protects the egg. It slowly develops into an embryo. Organs and gills begin to form in the embryo. The yolk inside the eggs The yolk inside the eggs provides nutrients for growth. After its development period, the embryo leaves its jelly shell and it quickly becomes a tadpole with a long tail. The tadpole grows with the feet until it is big enough to break free into the water. It feeds on small plants. After about 5 weeks, legs begin to grow. Their legs begin to grow. The tail becomes smaller till it finally vanishes. Lungs begin to develop in this stage, preparing the frog for its life on land, because we all know that frogs are amphibians. Amphibians means the animals those who live on land as well as in water. So finally a fully developed frog with lungs and legs hops out from the water. Children, if you observe the young tadpole, it looks more like a fish than a frog. Isn't it, na? It looks like a fish. It's not look like a frog. This process of transformation from a tadpole to a frog is known as metamorphosis. And this process is seen in butterflies and frogs. Okay, so metamorphosis is the process where a young animal undergoes extreme changes during its development. Okay, now let's know about parental care in animals. Like our parents, animals also nurture and care for their eggs and babies. A kangaroo carries its young in its pouch wherever it goes. Cats fight attackers with their claws and move their kittens to a safe place if the kittens are disturbed. Snake coil around the eggs and attack animals that come close. A cow a cow uses its horns to attack anyone who comes close to its young calf. A turtle lays hundreds of eggs at night and buries them in a sand. Most birds build nests to protect the eggs from bad weather and predators. Baby birds are taken care of by at least one parent until they are able to fly and get their own food. The male seahorse uses its pouch to store the eggs and look after them until they hatch. So, like our parents, animals also take care of their eggs and their babies. So, my dear children, your parents took a lot of care to raise you from the day you were born to this day. So, you should respect them. Okay? You should respect your parents, your elders. Now, let's move to our activity part. Okay, here's an activity where you have to match the following. Okay, let's read number one, hen. Hen's baby is called, very good, chicken. Number two is cockroach. If you remember the cockroach life cycle, there are three stages. Number one was eggs, obviously. Number two, nymph. And number third, adult cockroach. So, nymph. Frog. Uh, have you remembered that frog life cycle? Number one was eggs, number two was tadpole, and the third one is our adult frog. So, tadpole. Fish. Baby fish is called fry, and in plural, baby fish are called fries. Next, last one is butterfly. Butterfly's life cycle There are four stages. Number one was eggs, number two was larva, number third was pupa, and number four was butterfly. I told you that pupa is also called as, yeah, chrysalis. So number five is chrysalis. Do this activity in your copy, okay? In good handwriting. Now, here is another activity for you. Here, you have to label the different stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. It is your home assignment. Draw this life cycle in your copy and label it. Okay? So, do this work. Till then, children, goodbye, take care, and stay at home.